Hello everybody, my name is Ananya Singh and I have secured a rank of 483 in this INICT exam. Exactly 3 months ago on 20th of September, I was sitting right there with a lot of hope like you all right now. And I can describe this feeling in words how grateful and blessed I'm feeling right now to be here again. And I'm extremely thankful to Dr. Apoorv sir, Ravi sir, and Zainab ma'am for giving me this opportunity to stand in front of you and talk. In the previous boot camp, on the first day, Ravi sir told this one thing that Apoorv sir has once said to him that that Ravi, I'm giving this stage to you. Make sure you make the best of it, and people remember you. And I got goosebumps when I heard that. But exactly after 3 months, Ravi sir has said the same thing to me. I will try my best. And I will try my best to make the best use of it. And you can definitely tell the happiness by looking at my face right now, how happy I am to be here. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. A lot of you might be thinking that I am just 483. Why I am so happy about it? There are 482 people ahead of me. It is because the simple reason the journey I have taken from RIMS to AIMS. Anybody knows about this college? A very few. Because you might be from this college only. That's why you know this college. This is basically UPUMS CFI, a normal state average government medical college situated in a rural setup. And this college might seem so very normal to all of you, but that holds a very special place for me. Because this college has made me that person that I can come to this bootcamp because of this only. I would like to share a very small story over here. In every doctor's life, your first patient will be very special for you. You will remember who you will put first IV cannula. You will remember whom you have first diagnosed correctly. You will remember where you have first put your central line. You will remember what was the name of the patient you managed in your ICU for the first time. For me, it all happens to be the same person. So that makes it extra special for me. During the second COVID wave, our second year exams got cancelled because of the pandemic. And we got admitted one patient, his name is Ranveer Singh, and he had diabetes at that time, and he was diagnosed with a severe COVID infection. And I was very closely monitoring him and taking care of him. And the fact that, because every time you have been hearing that you have to make sure that the patient doesn't land up in intubation. Because once the patient is on venti, it will become next to impossible to bring him back. And that was the fear of mine while taking care of this patient. And there's one very unique thing about the fear. जितना डरोगे उतना और डराएगा. Same goes with exam. जितना डरोगे उतना और डराएगा. And the same happened. जिसका डर था वही हुआ. The patient's GCS fall to 5 and we had to put him on ventilator. That day, I lost all my hopes that I'm going to miss this patient and I can't bring him back. And one of my SR, Dr. Pawan sir, and he said this one thing, तेरे हाथ में जो है वो कर ले. You can't focus on the result कि क्या होगा. We have to try till the last breath of the patient. Everybody know this thing, we have to try till the last breath of the patient, and same goes with the exam. You have to try till the last day, till the last minute. You have to keep yourself up till the last minute you enter the examination hall. This is to know these things and to realize this thing and to keep that your game on till there is a difficult process. So when I do that, in the state government college, we do not have air mattresses and everything. We did some jugaad, and thankfully with God's grace, the patient survived. And after 48 hours, we were able to extubate him, and that went well. He was on oxygen support for a period of 1.5 months at home also. And today he is doing very fine. But that journey that I took from 48 hours of that patient, that I know he might go. This is all you all might be in this. That you have this FOMO that you might lose this exam or you might gain something. But that you have to keep yourself up. You have to do everything. I really wanted that patient to meet to all of you because that happens to be my father only. And I really don't wish anybody to learn everything on your father. माँ बाप सब कुछ सिखाते हैं, मेरे वालों ने तो सब कुछ सिखा दिया. I put my first injections and I took my first Venticare, everything on my father only. And that day I realized one thing, that if this institute can do this, if I can revive a patient, of course not me only, my teachers, with God's help, if I can do this from this institute, a student from this institute can go to the country's best medical school. And that is when I dreamt of this. This was my dream. That is when in my internship I wrote this thing that I want AIIMS Delhi and that has to be it. But you know, अजीब सी बात क्या है उस कॉलेज की कि बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है, लाइक मैनी ऑफ यू वुड बी फ्रॉम स्टेट कॉलेज. हमारा जीवन नीट पीजी पे ही खत्म हो जाता है. एम्स इज लाइक जस्ट एन एक्सीडेंट. हो गया तो ठीक है, बच गए तो ठीक है, नहीं निकले तो कोई नहीं, अगर क्वालिफाई कर ले तो नीट में तो अच्छी रैंक है. यू नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ माइंड सेट वॉज देयर. आई न्यू आई हैड टू गो देयर बट आई डिड नॉट नो द वे. एंड इन माई इंटर्नशिप आई वॉज डूइंग, आई पढ़ रही थी बस, लेकिन ये नहीं पता कि क्या कर रही हूँ. एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आफ्टर द इंटर्नशिप अटेम्प्ट I got to know about her. And you know, this name has changed everything in my life. This has actually literally changed everything for me. This word BTR Ratto, Buri Tarah Ratto, this word BTR, Believe, Trust, Revise, might be a word or a book or a course for all of you, but it's a whole set of emotion for me. Because for a student like me who had no clue what am I doing, sorry, I had, I'm sorry sir. No, sorry sir.
This is what you wanted. विवेक सर और गोगा भाई इस टाइम पे खुश हो रहे होंगे.
I used to read those long, you know, those 19 books and everything, but मेरे को end में नहीं समझ में आया कि मैं क्या करूँ. And that this book has changed everything for me. And the special thing when you study from her, you get that confidence that हाँ यार हो जाएगा, ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, अब पता चल रही है चीज़ें. ये सब आप 55 days में फील कर लोगे. जो ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं उन्हें ये बात पता है. And those who are there, you will feel this thing. And you know, with मैंने सिर्फ 1 महीने BTR में कर पाई थी और पूरा भी नहीं हुआ था, पर पता नहीं कहाँ से कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया मेरे अंदर कि अब निकल जाएगा completely. And just before the every exam, ma'am used to take Ashirwad class and she made us to write promises. And these were the promises I wrote before my November INI-CT exam. She made us to write that. And I added just one extra line before that, after that. This. And this was my new dream. I wanted to go to AIIMS and everything went secondary. I wanted to meet her in person. I wanted her to take my interview so much that, you know, लेकिन जब आप कुछ इतना बड़ा अपने लिए रख लेते हो, प्लान कर लेते हो, this is huge, you know. You have to be deserving of that. While I was preparing at that time, I might not be that much deserving. तो नहीं मिला मुझे इसलिए, but I did something. I got a progress from 28K to 2000 in just 4 months. And this is not here to boast my journey. This is to tell you because this is the reality of a medical student from an average government medical college. We know, I have been there. You all might have, some of you might have been there. Some of you might have been very ahead of me. That doesn't matter. In those 4 months, I reached there. And next day exam rank was stagnant. And for this exam, I was hoping to get a 3-digit rank, NEET PG. And that, you can see, my confidence would have been shattered with this rank, 15K. And I really could not understand what has been went wrong. I really wanted to play that second shift card, कि इसीलिए गलत हुआ है. Second shift. पर लेकिन कर नहीं सकते ना. You know, something must have went wrong. And one thing happened at my home that changed everything. When I got this result, everybody, my parents, my family, my teachers, my friends said this one thing unanimously: something is wrong with the exam. You have done your best. We know you have done your best, and something is wrong with the exam. You know, when you see your parents saying this to you, they have so much faith in you that they believe that you have done everything that you could have do, and they could not find any fault in you. That was the reason, that was the main reason I registered for this camp, that I have to do justice to them. They deserve better of me. My family, my parents, my mother sitting right over there, she deserves better of me. She is the one who said, okay, Dr. Zainab is doing something, just register for it, it will go well. This is the kind of trust she has on my teachers. And during this BTR bootcamp, what I realized the moment I entered into this place, you all have been there for once today only, and some of you might be here. You can feel the positivity over here. You know, यहाँ की हवा में माहौल है जो चाहिए आपको. You all can relate to this. Hindi hits hard. I know that. यहाँ की हवा में माहौल है जो आपको यहाँ पे चाहिए. This same feeling. All of those who have been to Kota, you know what kind of feeling, the vibe I'm talking about here right now. You all are going to have the same vibe for a period of next 55 days constantly. Make sure you don't miss any of those days. This has to be there. And everybody here was so supportive. Even everything was taken so much care. Even if the sugar was extra in the tea, that has to be rectified immediately. You know, that much level of micro care was taken of us, and it felt like home. The moment I entered, after Poofsir's first talk, I called my mom and said, I know why I am here. Because of some family conditions, because of major accident, I actually lost all of hope in people and everything. No, that's not a breakup and all. That was actually a major life incident. So I have lost faith in me. And Poofsir's everyday stories have healed something in me. Thank you so much, sir. And he hasn't talked much yet, but you all will know what I am talking about right now. Though I am extremely grateful to you, sir. My perspective of looking at this world and these people got a reset here in those 35 days. And you know, first day when I came here, I was so confused and I was lot of self-doubt that what am I going to do? अब मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो मैं कर सकती थी वो मैं कर चुकी थी. अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था करने के लिए कुछ और. तो आई रियली वांटेड टू टॉक टू ज़ैनब मैम बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ हर. पता ही चल गया होगा अब तक तो. I am a big fan of her, and I really wanted, because she is the person why I started enjoying this process. She is the reason why I can walk in any hospital with the confidence, because I have been taught here not to become just a good doctor but a better human here, that you all are going to witness. And this is the reason I really wanted to talk to her on the first day, that ma'am, what has went wrong, but I wasn't the only one. Like 750 of you all would have wanted to talk to her. So when my time could come, it was a lunchtime and I couldn't meet her. Then one member from the cerebellum team suggested me to talk to Ravi sir in case of any emergency. And that sounded a huge emergency for me. Because you are here but you don't know what to do for the next 35 days, no? That was an emergency. So I directly went to him. You know, कभी-कभी ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि मन का हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और अच्छा. That was the moment when I had with him. I talked to him. I told him everything, that this is my journey. He listened very patiently and he gave me very specific advice that you have to do this. And that day, I felt a lot of relief that I know what I'm going to do for the 35 days here I am right now. And you know, he has been my mentor from that day only. He used to keep checking on me before and even after every test, after exam, after result, everything. And this is what that was lacking in my journey majorly, a guidance and a mentorship. Make sure that all of you are here, you enjoy this and you have maximum of this guidance and mentorship either from Zainab ma'am, Ravi sir or Poor sir. Whatever you can find having not lunch, so, because I find that way. So you have to make sure that you grasp every bit of their mentorship. You have to ask your problem. You have to be open about them. And remember this BTR bootcamp, Apoor sir told this once. This act itself means very intensive training. You are not here to relax for 55 days. You are not here to chill for 55 days. If you are here, you are to make your rank even better than this one. Even better than this one. For this, I want all of you to open your first page and write this one thing, that Dr. Zainab Vora will take all of your interview. Why it can't be? There are 750 seats and names. You all can have that. Write that. And the day you all feel दैट आज नहीं हो रहा, आज बहुत नींद आ रही है, बस वो एक पन्ना खोलना पहले, वो नहीं होगा उस दिन अगर तुम नहीं आओगे यहाँ पर। तो वो करने के लिए आपको ये लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पुट इट ऑन योर वॉल, पुट इट एवरीवेयर एंड दिस विल हैपन। यू हैव टू, आपको भी अपना बेस्ट देना है उस चीज़ के लिए। पढ़ने में क्या अच्छा करना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, OGs here, I am nobody to tell about this, and you have already learnt a lot from these two also. These are all already ahead of me, so you know what you have to do. What I want to tell you is, if I can do it from that college, you all can do it. This is the belief you have to have on yourself. If not for you, do it for your parents. They deserve so much better of you. You can't be just chilling in this phase of your life. You have to return something to them. And you know, when you enter this hall, there is this one test room in the right, which is named Shukra. And there is one slogan written, if you give thanks, I will give you more. That was the thing I realized was lacking in my journey, because you can see the jump was even better when I got from 28K to 2000, but I wasn't happy at all. I didn't celebrate my progress. I didn't notice my progress. I spent my whole day crying for 2K because I wanted something great. So you all have to remember, be grateful for what you have right now. Enjoy this process of learning. The moment you start enjoying it, your everyday will start counting. You have to trust yourself every day that आज थोड़ा कम हुआ, कोई नहीं, बाद में हो जाएगा। दिख रहा है ना, ये भी सच है, किसी का और का भी हो सकता है और बेटर हो सकता है। So you all have to do this thing. And last but not the least, I really want to thank my parents, my mom especially. She is my biggest supporter.
Why don't you call them here? आप लोग के पेरेंट्स आए हुए हैं अभी थी, और so Anya's parents are here. Why don't they join us, please?
And during that whole hospital time, she was the only person with me in the hospital also. You all can imagine how hard it must have been for her to see her husband like that. And I saw her that she showed every strength over there. And because I'm her daughter, I can't leave on this. I have to be a good person. And people over there are actually very nice. I realized this thing in the previous BTR bootcamp. People were very nice. I actually made some new friends, and two of them are over here also. So talk to people. You will find new friends. You will find new reason to study. And last but not least, I want to say this one thing to all of you, that this BTR bootcamp was the best decision for me. It is going to be the best decision for you. You may or may not get your dream rank. If you'll do work, you will definitely get it. But you will definitely become a better person out of here. The day you walked out of this BTR bootcamp after 55 days, you all will remember this place. The Vidya Jeevan never leaves you. Sir बोलते थे ऐसे, तब समझ नहीं आता था, आज आ रहा है. You know that. So just have trust on yourself. I know everybody sitting here, you कुछ भी rank हो, कोई भी college हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. यहाँ मैंने अच्छा भी करा, बुरा भी करा है. हर किसी के अप एंड डाउन्स होते हैं. आपको उस जर्नी को एंजॉय करना, उस अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखना ज़रूरी है. एंड यू ऑल विल सेल थ्रू इट. थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. I really want to thank my teachers once again, and thank you so much.